A Greeley man is suing McDonald's for an E. coli outbreak linked to the Golden Arches' famous Quarter Pounders.
So it's been linked to one death and dozens of illnesses in Colorado. Denver 7's Sam Pena spoke with the attorney behind the lawsuit.
Sam, he says this is just the tip of the iceberg for the companies involved.
Yeah, that's right, Micah and Jessica. Both CDC and Colorado health officials are still working to determine how the E. coli contamination happened. Was it in the harvesting, testing, packaging, or shipping process? All of that is still unknown. But this morning, I spoke with the attorney for the Greeley man who filed that lawsuit. And he told me that although they're also interested in the answer to that question, he says ultimately it doesn't matter whether or not it was McDonald's, the farm, or the testers who were at fault. All of them are liable for the outbreak.
We're going to get the proper compensation, the just compensation for the suffering these victims had.
It's the first step in a potentially major legal battle against a massive fast food chain.
And we are going to figure out how this happened.
On Wednesday, attorney Ron Simon filed this lawsuit against McDonald's for his client, Greeley resident Eric Stelly.
He's still sick.
In the suit, Stelly claims he ate a McDonald's burger on October 4th and began feeling symptoms just 2 days later.
And they're still trying to recover from the effects of what happened to him.
He tested positive for E. coli, and CDC health officials traced his case back to McDonald's along with 27 other Coloradans.
The consumer is placing this enormous amount of trust in the restaurant. McDonald's clearly breached that trust, and it's going to take a long time to get it back.
Simon has already filed a second suit on behalf of a client in Nebraska. Slivered onions are suspected as the source of the outbreak, which has prompted Taylor Farms out of California to issue a massive recall.
All I have to prove is that A, my clients ate at McDonald's, that they got the exact matching strain of E. coli linked to the outbreak, and the rest is over.
It starts with the state and CDC's investigation.
The state of Colorado has a list of organisms that they monitor. So it goes into their database, and then they're able to do a little bit more investigation.
UC Health Director of Infection and Prevention Control, Dr. Michelle Barron, says that when someone is diagnosed with E. coli, the CDC compiles the victims into a list and traces their steps.
Where were you? Were you at a wedding? Were you at a restaurant? Like literally, it's this massive spreadsheet where they'll just start asking you questions.
The bacteria cultures are examined and used to connect cases.
So if you have the isolates, there are ways to do typing to see if they're molecularly and genetically the same as other isolates.
Once linked, Simon says his client has a legal claim.
Liability is a slam dunk.
And he expects that more will follow.
As I've been sitting through this interview, my phone has gone off 70 times. We are being inundated with people that want help.
Simon says that more cases are on the way, and the CDC says that more E. coli cases are likely on the way as well. The first case was reported in September, and then October 11th was the latest case. Reporting live in Denver, I'm Sam Pena for Denver 7.